In front of me is REALME C25s, and let me show you how to clear browsing data on this device. So first of all, just open the browser that you're using. In my case it is Google Chrome. Then tap on More icon and select History. Here go to Clear Browsing Data, and here you can pick options that you would like to remove. It's basic browsing history, cookies and site data, and cached images and files under Basic. And under Advanced you've got a few more, which are saved passwords, auto-fill from data, and site settings. Then just pick the time range and select the period of time from which you would like to remove this data, and then tap on Clear Data. And that's it, it has been done. So congrats, thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave the thumbs up.